Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 33 of chapter 12, section 5. Find an equation of the plane. The plane through the points 2, 1, 2, 3, negative 8, 6, and negative 2, negative 3, 1. So in order to find out the equation of the plane, we first need the point and a normal vector. So to find the equation of the plane, we need a point. So we have actually 3 points. We can pick any one of them. A point through which the plane passes and the normal vector to the plane and its normal vector. These are the two things that we need. We already have a point which can be chosen as the first one or the second one or the third one. We need a normal vector. So if we find two vectors on the plane, then we can get the cross product of that, which will be the normal vector to the plane. So here in this problem, the plane passes through the point 2, 1, 2, so and 2 more, so we can take the first one to be the point. P is 2, 1, 2, Q is 3, negative 8, 6, and R is negative 2, negative 3, 1. So if we find two vectors lying on the plane, say PQ and PR, then we can, if we determine this, two vectors will determine the plane. The two vectors on the plane with the same initial point P, so as shown in this figure, same initial point P, can be taken as PQ and PR. So PQ is a line segment, so it's a vector segment. So which is OQ minus OP by definition. So we have to take the coordinates of Q and subtract the coordinates of P and make it into a vector notation. So it is 3 minus 2I plus negative 8 minus 1J plus 6 minus 2K. This is vector A. So which is I minus 9J plus 4K. So here we are taking 3 minus 2, negative 8 minus 1, and 6 minus 2. Right? So we'll call it 1. Then vector B is PR, vector PR, which is OR minus OP. So subtract the coordinates of P from the coordinates of R. So if we do the same trick as before, so we will have negative 2 minus 2, minus 3 minus 1, 1 minus 2. We can pick that way and then get the difference. And this has to be J plus 1 minus 2 times K. So it will be negative 4I minus 4J negative 1K. So thus we have two vectors A and B that make up the plane. So if we get the cross product of these two, A and B, that will determine the normal vector or any vector that is parallel to the vector product A cross B can be considered as a normal vector. So A cross B is what we need to find out to get the normal vectors, so which is the determinant where the first row is IJK, second row is the components of A, and then the third row is the components of B. So IJK, components of A from the problem is 1 minus 9, 4, then components of B, negative 4, negative 4, negative 1. So if we expand the determinant using the first row or the first column, then you know that I should go with positive and J should go with the negative, J should go with positive. So if we use that, just like one of the problems that we did before, this is negative, second column is negative. So I times 9 plus 16 minus J times negative 1 plus 16 plus K times, hide the column and the row to which K belongs, you get negative 4 minus 36. So if you simplify, it will be 25I plus and minus 15j minus 40k. So this will be the normal vector. Now we know the normal vector and we know the point. So now we are ready to write down the equation of the plane. The plane passes through the point P, which is equal to 2, 1, 2. That is the coordinate form of P, and has the normal vector in vector form is 25i minus 15j minus 40k. So as we mentioned earlier, the concept check, equation of the plane would be a times x minus x0. So 25 times x minus 2 minus 15 times 2 minus 1, y minus y0, then c times z minus z0 equal to 0. z0 is this coordinate. So here this 2, 1, 2 are these points. Now we have to only simplify and reduce this. So it is 25x minus 15y minus 40z. Then if you combine the constants and then move it to the other side, you are going to get negative 45, which is actually reducible. So reduce it by dividing throughout by 5. So it is 5x minus 3y minus 8z equal to negative 9, which is the equation of the plane. Always go through the lectures before you actually do these, try these problems. So first concepts, you learn the concepts well, then try these problems. Hope this video helps.